Hello everyone, this is Dr. Meenakshi. Today I am going to show you the exercises and stretches for ACL tear. ACL stands for anterior cruciate ligament. This ligament prevents the excess forward or backward motion of your knee. It's tear many times. So today I am going to show the exercises for non-operative and pre-operative cases. Okay, it will strengthen and it will provide the the quite stability to your knee. Even if you are getting for the operation, then it's very good to have good strength before the operate, and it will help in better recovery. So let's get started. Okay, the first exercise is you have little swelling and pain, so that we will do the heel drags. Like this, sit like this, or you can lie down and then try to straighten up, relax, and then drag it. Don't over push. Okay, make sure that it is not with so much pain, and relax, drag. Okay, and then relax. Next is isometric quadriceps exercise. It's very helpful. For this, what you need to do, you can also make a roll of towel or something and put in your cubital fossa here, or you can put your hand like this, or if you are comfortable like this, then you can do like this. Okay, you need to stretch your toes yourself, and you need to press down your knee with all your force, and like this. Can you see the contraction here? And then relax like this, full contraction here, press it down. If you are not feeling good in that, then you can pull you can put a towel roll, or you can your hand behind your knee back. Okay, and relax. Okay, for quadriceps. Next is single leg raise. It's very important. Okay, so you can bend one knee and then stretch the toes yourself and up. Make it up in the level of this. Then slowly down. Stretch up, slowly, and then down. Okay. Next is bridging. It's very important to perform bridging. So we will do like this. Okay, hold it here. Make sure your knee, your hip, your shoulder should be in one line. Then come back. Then you can combine it with single leg bridges if you are comfortable for the upgradation. And you can also raise your heel and come back. This is for the progression. Okay. And then come back. You can do 10 repetitions and for 3 sets. Fine. The next exercise is stand up, okay, and double calf raise like this, and hold it, and back, hold it, and back, like this. Make your balance and back. Fine. The next exercise is for the VMO, okay, for the vastus obliquus medius. Okay, so see, straighten up and do the external rotation, and then stretch toes toward yourself and up. Okay, hold it and then down, relax. Again, rotation at your hip, and then stretch, and then up, hold it, and back, and relax. Fine. The next exercise is lunges. So see, this is the knee for which we are doing the lunges. Then go down, hold, and then come back. Go down, Then you can change the leg here. Go down. Come back. Okay, very important. These are the lunges for the progression. Fine. You can add weight on your hands when you are doing the progressive exercises. Okay. Next exercise is double quarter squat. So initially you start with this. So do it like this. Do it like this. Only up to this. Not even the half one. And then come back. Make sure your back is in this position like this and come back. Okay. So with progression, go for half squats, or you can do the wall squats like this and hold it and come back. Do it like this, hold and come back. With more progression, do the half squats and shift your weight. Shift your weight. Shift and do this shifting like this. Okay? Do the shifting like this. Like this. You can sometimes raise a whole leg like this, raise a whole leg and like this. Fine? So you can do the progression according to yourself. Next is balance exercise. You can perform the balance exercise on wobble board, okay, on the wushu ball also. So on right now, how you are going to perform that? Put your hands like this and 90 degree and stand and hold it like this, back, hold it, and back. Next exercises we will show you on wobble board or on the rebouncer. Okay. Okay, the next exercise for your ACL rehabilitation is on the rebounder. This is called rebounder. So here we will do the stability and mobility both and balance exercise on that. You can start with heel raise, one toe raise like this. Okay, and you can do little jogging on that with balancing your knee and your ankles, can weight shifting from one side to another side. Okay, so these are the exercises you perform on this for your ACL rehabilitation. The next exercise, because we are progressing, so this is the hip extension exercise with the help of TheraBand for your ACL. Okay, so like this. You can go for different colors of TheraBand. So I'm having this one, so I'm showing exercises with this. So make sure your body is upright and you are doing this. This is very good for your all glutes and for your hamstring also. This will help in strengthening your knee part. Fine. Then same, you will do the abduction. So you can hold and do like this. Don't let it, don't let the TheraBand to control your motion. You are controlling the TheraBand. Okay, so and control back, control back, control back. Okay, then the next exercise is with more progression. So put a TheraBand around your legs, or you can use the loop band if you have one, and then start walking. Start walking. Stretch, walk. Stretch, walk. Stretch, walk. Stretch, walk. You can walk side to side. Side to side. Okay? Like this, you progress these exercises and they are going to benefit your ACL injury very well. Go back. Okay, the last exercise for our ACL rehabilitation, we will do bridging on Swiss ball. Okay, if you don't have Swiss ball, then I previously shown you the videos. So bridging, press your heel down and
come back. Bridge, 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 and come back. Bridge, 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 and come back.
Okay, so these are the exercises for your non-operative or a pre-operative ACL injured knee. So we'll get back to you with more videos. Till then, take care.